can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Holo. The last 1 month has seen Holo rally up by 23%. The last 1 year has seen Holo rally up by 47%. We're expecting good times in the altcoin market in 2024. How high can Holo realistically go in 2024? In this video, we'll take a look at the Holo US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame, where those key levels will find major resistance as we're pumping to higher prices. We're also going to take a look at Holo's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, and then we'll finally look at Holo's market cap, which sits around the $378 million level. Can Holo's market cap rally to as high as $2 billion before the end of the year? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. The last 3 months has seen good times return back to the altcoin market. Altcoins are having double-digit gains across the board, triple-digit gains across the board, and right now we're expecting a huge altcoin party. Holo has been through a huge bull market and has also been through a huge bear market. Right now we're expecting to join the rest of the party, pumping to higher values and doing that very quickly. Take a look at what Holo did after it was launched. We saw it going sideways for a very long time. It took around 3 years just going sideways. At this point in time, there was a huge dump and there was a huge pump. Guys, in the cryptocurrency market, volatility is an everyday thing. You have to be ready for those huge swings in price action. After Holo was launched, it dumped by 87%, but that was not all. After that 87% dump, we saw it rallying to higher prices quickly, and that's how you have to change your buyers in the altcoin market very quickly. We can see huge dumps, at the same time we can see huge pumps, and Holo gave us another 600% pump after dumping 82%. What happened after that? We saw another big dump again before the mother of all pump arrived. We saw another 89% dump for Holo, and if you are patient with it, if you are still going through all this cycle of going to Goblin Town, coming back to the moon, and you are patiently accumulating, guys, you are rewarded for your patience with Holo, because in 385 days from March of 2020 to April of 2021, we saw Holo rally up by over 11,000%. $1,000 invested in Holo would have given you over $113,000. That's how quickly you can make a lot of money in the altcoin market, but you have to stomach all the volatility, because, guys, if you're not smart enough to even take the profits after you have made those huge money, what happens is that we don't continue going up forever. What happens after we get to the moon is that we turn our spaceship down and we start coming back to Goblin Town. Goblin Town is not a nice place, but Goblin Town is where you get good value for money. Goblin Town is where you get your first 10x, your first 100x. And as Holo was dumping to Goblin Town in 2022-2023, we finally dropped to as low as the $0.00096 level in October of 2023. But by then, Holo was already down 96.89% from its all-time highs. Back to the $1 million question: how high do we expect it to go in 2023? We're expecting to see higher prices, but guys, very controversial opinion. We're not expecting all-time highs on this channel. Yes, the market is very bullish. Yes, a lot of altcoins have been making huge gains. And yes, we're expecting Holo to also make huge gains. But we're not expecting new all-time highs. Let me tell you why. A lot of altcoins in the market has been rallying, giving us crazy pumps. But we have noticed the pattern, and that pattern is they have been getting stuck where they were trading in March of 2022. For Holo, that will take us to the $0.007 level. From where we're currently trading, we'll need to rally up by 221% to get there, and that will mean from the bottom where we got to in Goblin Town in this bear market, the $0.00099 level, we would have seen Holo rally up by 588%, which is actually good to see. It's actually good returns. I'm sure a lot of people would not want to sell, say they're going for new all-time highs. There's going to be that temptation to say, you know what, I want to be holding till we get to new all-time highs. But according to our Fibonacci retracement tool, there's going to be a lot of resistance for Holo at that $0.0081 level. And because we have confidence with other altcoins selling off when they get to their April price, I'll not be shocked if Holo find resistance at that price region. If you take a look at Holo's performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, two sides to a story. It's very bullish when the market is bullish. It's very bearish when the market is bearish. We see Holo gaining value against Bitcoin when the market is bullish. Why is that? Guys, when the market is bullish, people take their Bitcoin gains into the altcoin market, trying to multiply those Bitcoin gains. We have seen Bitcoin rally up for over a year. A lot of people missed the bottom. Some people caught Bitcoin rally halfway. Those people are going to be finding huge gains in the altcoin market, taking all their Bitcoin, shoving it into the altcoin market, and you see those altcoin market prices shooting to the roof, and you see those altcoins gaining value against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. In the bear market, the inverse is the case. People are scared. You see them selling those altcoins back into Bitcoin and back into Ethereum. So in 2024, expect to see Holo outperform Bitcoin in the first 2-3 months, but eventually when we're heading back to Goblin Town, Bitcoin is king. We're going to see people running towards safety. If you take a look at Holo's hot market cap, which found support at the $181 million level in 2024, expect us to rally to higher prices, expect us to get to maybe as high as the $1.2 billion level. If we get to the $1.2 billion level from where we're currently trading, we need Holo to rally up that 220%, and we can do that very quickly. The altcoin market is very volatile. That 220% pump can happen in a week or even less than that. Holo currently trades around the $0.0021 level at the point to record this video. The market cap sits around the $378 million level. Circulating supply for Holo sits at 172 billion tokens. Total supply is 177 billion tokens. Holo all-time high happened on 5th of April 2021, traded for as high as $0.031. Right now it's down 93% from that all-time highs. Holo can be gotten or traded on Binance, on HTX, on Propit Global, on Gate.io, on Uniswap. Anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Holo tokens right there. Holo is a peer-to-peer distributed platform for hosting decentralized applications built using Holochain, a framework for developing DApps that do not require the use of blockchain technology. The goal of Holo is to serve as a bridge between the broader internet and apps built using Holochain, offering an ecosystem and marketplace in which DApps are easily accessible as they are hosted on the internet by Holo network participants. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see Holo going in 2024? Do you see us getting to new all-time highs? Do you think I'm bearish on the price? At what level will you be taking some profits off the table? Remember, guys, you're here to make some money. You're here to buy the lows. You're here to sell the highs. You're here to buy when we're down in Goblin Town, and you're here to sell when we pump to the moon. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.